Oh my gosh, this is the awesome one here. And in today's video, first I have hiccups, so guys, so sorry if you hear me hiccuping. I'm just going to get rid of them, and I'll be back in a second. Bye! Okay, so in that, I didn't get rid of my hiccups, I just went to the toilet, okay? So which brings us to today's video, which is 10 ways to get rid of hiccups. Yeah, 10. So the first one is to have someone to scare you. So I'm just gonna sit here until someone scares me. Oh my gosh, guys, I just woke the baby up. It didn't make me jump though. Seriously? Seriously, Phoebe? Oh my god, shake me! That scared the life out of me. Okay. Oh, okay. You said shake me, so it didn't get rid of my hiccups though. Even though it scared the life out of me, it didn't get rid of my hiccups. I'm just gonna sit here, yeah. So. Okay. Sorry. Deeboo, mind blown. By the way, his name's Deeboo. I don't know why. Don't ask me. By the way, my phone is cracked. She's so not into making a YouTube video. You're going to be on YouTube. You know that, right? Oh my god. Oh my god. Scared the life out of me. Hello? Yeah, I'm in the middle of a video. So, bye. Okay. So I got rid of my hiccups, so I'm going to be back again once I get hiccups again. I have hiccups again. Okay. So, way number 2 is you are going to get a glass of water in. Then you need to go and fill it up. So I'll be back once I filled it up. Okay, so you don't need a lot, just a little bit, okay? Then you are going to, let me just film this, put my iPad right there, and you're going to get a straw and put it in a drink. No blowing bubbles though. Oh, you can, but that's what you meant to do, but yeah, you can blow bubbles. So, yeah. Then, put the drink down in front of you. Hang upside down off your bed or off a settee or anything. And drink. all done. No hiccups, so I'll be back when I have hiccups again because I have them like every hour. So, bye. Okay guys, this is another way with water. So, you should still have a bit of water left from earlier. The other way didn't work, but I don't have that much left. You're going to need about up halfway in a glass about this size. So let me just go and turn it up. Okay, so all you have to do is you have to drink a glass of water really fast, okay? So wait, no, you hiccup, and I just hiccup then, and then drink it really fast, ready? Ah, try it again. Does not seem to be working. So this trick is a fail, guys. Don't do that one. Now for trick number 4. Okay, so basically, you are going to need this water, a fizzy drink. So let me just go and get one. Here we go. I have ginger beer. It's kind of a fizzy drink, but it will probably still work. Okay. You don't have to use a straw, it's not easier actually. Yeah, use a straw, okay? So you're going to wait until you hiccup, and then you're going to drink. And every time you swallow, you have to pull down this bit of your ear. Okay? So, my phone just went off again, guys. Hello? Sorry, guys, wait a minute until I finish this one. Okay, so yeah. Let's do this thing. So I'll put my hair back and then let's go. Actually, I'm going to put my iPad here because the light's kind of in the way. Boom! You can't really see me. And you didn't scare me. Aww. Ready? Ooh. I think it's gone. No, it's not. I just hiccuped. Alright then, nice guys. Just my notifications. I'm on this group chat and yeah. Things all the time. So yeah. Ooh. That was quite spicy. I hiccuped again. But I'm not sure if it's gone. Okay. So yeah, I'm going to save the rest of this for later. Now, okay, so they're kind of gone. I haven't had them for ages, so yeah. I'll be back when I have them again. Okay, trick number 5. So you are going to need a hairdryer or a fan or something that can blow air. So yeah, so you're going to need something that can blow air and some sort of fizzy drink. Actually, I'm not sure if it'll work with any drink or just a fizzy drink. I'm not sure. If you don't have any fizzy drinks, just use a normal drink. But the other one where you pull the ears will only work with a fizzy drink. This doesn't really count as a fizzy drink. That's probably why it didn't work on ear one. But it will work on this one. Well, hopefully. Okay. So it looks like it's only going to be 5 ones we're doing, because we only have 5 minutes left on the video. Okay, so let me just put my hairdryer in. So you go to blow in your mouth for about 10 seconds, and have a sip, blow, sip, blow, sip, blow, sip, like that. Because it dries out your mouth, and then when you're drinking a fizzy thing, it's really weird to explain. Okay, or you can have like a fizzy sweet, like one of these. Yeah. Oh my gosh, somebody texts me again. Okay, see? Fizzy strawberry pencils, I think they are. Strawberry straws. Okay, so let's go. And now my mouth is quite dry, and I step fizzy stuff, and then you do that several times. So that is the last trick. So bye guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you did enjoy this video on how to get rid of hiccups. So remember, subscribe for more videos, and yeah. And by the way, I got a new phone case. Cause I did have like no phone case and just have it like that. And then I got a phone case. It's a B1. It's off Amazon. It's like, I'm not sure how much it is. About £1, I think. It is really cool. It makes my phone look much better. And I cracked my phone, guys. Yeah. So I'm just gonna I don't really know. Yeah, so don't forget to oh my gosh, my phone's ringing again. Hello? Why won't let me answer it? There. Okay. Hello? Hello? I have egg fried rice and then noodle things. Yeah, I'll give you the money once once you've arrived. Or I'll just pay for yours next time. Bye. That was just my friend. She wanted to know if it wanted anything from the chip shop. So yeah. Bye!